My wife and I have lived in the Washington, D.C. area for probably a little over a dozen years. And with each addition to our family, we needed a larger house. When we found the Stanley Martin community, in particular the Russell model, it checked every box that we were looking for. It gave the sort of convenience of adding my mother-in-law to the extended family, but still have her independence while also being a doorway away from the entire family. It came with a dedicated kitchenette, her own garage, her own front door. She's got kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, bedroom. It is, for all intents and purposes, an entirely separated condo, but directly connected to our home. It was the best option we found on both new construction and resale in the entire Washington, D.C. market. We were looking in all geographies surrounding D.C. That really drove us to move just a little further away in favor of square footage, convenience, and some of the best schools in the entire county. For our purposes, it also checked the box of we don't have to give up our basement space. The pool table, the movie theater, my at-home office, because I only go into the office now only when needed. I'm working from home 4 days a week out of the 5. And I can do so completely separated from that family unit upstairs in that basement office. With 3 kids plus the mother-in-law, we have the ability to have each kid has their own bedroom and bathroom within the living space. In fact, my teenager has her own loft to herself. And having grandma be there for the kids when she's coming in from work or kind of leaving for the day, or the kids are getting home from school, having grandma home, they can just open a door and say hi to grandma and hang out with their grandmother. And I think it's a win-win for everybody.